For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Love that soft, crunchy ice from your favorite restaurant? Let me share something you'll actually enjoy. The ZAFRO Nugget Ice Maker Countertop is a total game changer for anyone obsessed with chewable nugget ice. I've tested a few ice makers over the years, but this one genuinely impressed me with how fast and consistent it is. In just 7 minutes, it starts producing that perfect Pebble-style ice, soft, chewy, and oh so satisfying. Whether for your kitchen, office, or bar, it's made to keep up with your daily ice cravings effortlessly. Fast ice production. What really stood out to me is how quickly it gets to work. With a highly efficient compressor, this machine can make up to 35.5 pounds of ice per day, which is plenty for everyday use or a weekend hangout. I noticed it doesn't slow down even when running for long hours, though the speed can vary slightly depending on room temperature. Still, that 7-minute first batch is a big win when you need ice fast. Soft, chewable ice anytime. If you're a fan of chewable ice like I am, this machine delivers. The nugget ice is softer and crunchier than regular cubes, perfect for cold drinks, smoothies, or iced coffee. Personally, I love filling a big tumbler of ice before heading out. It stays solid for hours, giving me that cool crunch with every sip. It's that same restaurant-style ice people always talk about, now right at home. Easy self-cleaning function. Maintenance is often where ice makers get tricky, but ZAFRO made it super simple. With just a 5-second press of the power button, it activates an automatic cleaning cycle. I can confirm it really saves time. I used to clean my old machine by hand, and it was a hassle, but now I just hit the button, walk away, and it's spotless. The ice always tastes fresh and clean, which makes a noticeable difference. Compact and portable design. I really appreciate the portable size. It's compact, easy to carry, and doesn't hog counter space. It even comes with an ice basket and scoop, making it perfect for serving or storing. I've used it in my kitchen and occasionally at my office during the summer. It's lightweight enough to move around when needed. Final thoughts. Honestly, the ZAFRO Nugget Ice Maker nails the basics. Fast ice, soft, chewable texture, and simple cleaning. It might make a bit of noise while working, as one reviewer also mentioned, but the ice quality easily makes up for it. From personal use, I can say it's reliable, convenient, and makes every drink just a little better. If you're serious about your ice, this one's worth it.